Welcome to Honors Haven Retreat and Conference, our beautiful refuge in the Hudson Valley Catskill region, nestled amongst 200 acres of lush gardens, rolling hills, surrounding a freshwater lake with a view of the Shawangunk Mountain Range. With our newly developed food forest garden, eco-healing park, and outdoor activity areas, we offer a perfect combination of space, services, and programs for your events and retreats. By adopting high standards of sustainability and green operations such as zero waste, net zero energy, and farm to table, Honors Haven aspires to set a new standard of wellness, not only for our guests and staff, but also for our community and the planet. With 232 comfortably furnished rooms and suites with flexible bed options as well as conference and catering facilities, we offer a premier destination for all sizes of group meetings, celebrations, weddings, and special events, as well as retreats and getaways for individuals. Delicious fresh cuisine is prepared daily from the international menu of our European-trained head chef, accommodating all types of dietary preferences with delicious and savory fare. Enjoy breakfast, lunch, or dinner overlooking clear terrace views, rolling mountains, and our private lake beneath crisp skies. We can accommodate large and small events, indoor and outside, and at any time of the year. Our location, perfectly situated between New York City and Albany, makes Honors Haven an ideal upstate destination. Come together for your next group event or retreat and enjoy all that our grounds have to offer, perfect for creative and productive events of nearly any size. Our meeting enhancement options will add more energy, depth, and meaning to your group's meeting and retreat. Options include wellness services and nature activities. Our planners will work with you to find programs and activities that you can fit into your agenda and program. Our outdoor activities are carefully designed for a subtle mixture and balance of fun, challenge, comfort, nurture, and breakthrough. Each program gives participants an opportunity to experience the outdoors and increase their comfort level and connection with nature. And for those in search of R&R, drop by the spa and detox at the wet and dry saunas and jacuzzi, followed by an appointment with one of our treatment specialists. We hope to have the pleasure of serving you during your next visit to the Hudson Valley at our unique Four Seasons Retreat and Conference. Honors Haven guarantees that your next vacation or event will be nothing short of extraordinary.